Chende Hollywood LED Lights Kit, 2 inches diameter of each bulb and totally 30 watts for the vanity light. Smart touch dimmer switch to adjust the brightness for your need at any time. Make you relax to make up. The LED bulbs is close to daylight. Installation steps. Firstly, please plug in power adapter and then long press the dimmer to confirm it could work. Secondly, tear off the sticker to stick bulbs on mirror. Twist the wire to adjust the length between 2 bulbs and tighten the wire until sticking the last one. Then connecting the dimmer. Hollywood vanity mirror done. Easy to adjust the brightness to meet your demand. The bulbs are bright and not dazzling. Your eyes won't be hurt by the light, and it's no problem to do makeup for a long time. Now, you could enjoy the Hollywood vanity mirror to do makeup. 4000 Kelvin daylight make your makeup more natural and fabulous. Chende Vanity Lights, the best choice for your perfect makeup.
The LED bulb is close to daylight and not dazzling. 5-level brightness adjustment, short press for adjust brightness. It's no problem to do makeup for a long time. For long press, you can adjust color. Your eyes won't be hurt by the lights. Our new wire is retractable. Wire can be hidden in the base of the bulb by rotating the lamp cover. USB input is 5V to AV. Pretmess Vanity Lights is the best choice for your perfect makeup.
Originally designed in 2017 and greatly improved in 2019, this mirror lights kit by Waneway is your best choice to create your own DIY Hollywood mirror. Setup only takes a few minutes. Peel off the stickers, attach the bulbs to the mirror frame or wall, hide the excess wires behind the mirror, or just twist the bulbs to straighten the wires. Plug in the power adapter and touch the on-cord dimmer switch to turn on the lights. Now, your professional Hollywood makeup mirror is ready to use! The most important improvement is the industrial-grade stickers that are used on this new lights kit. They will stay on for years to come. You'll never have to worry about them falling off from your mirror. Driven by a powerful 12-volt adapter and equipped with 6000K high-pot LED chips, these bulbs are 30% brighter and more natural than other, cheaper light kits. The touch dimmer switch has also been updated to be more sensitive and smarter than others. Choose Waneway. Look your best!